Hello friends, welcome back. We are studying Advanced Java Programming Unit 3. In the previous lecture, we have studied event handling concepts, that are what is event handling classes, event listeners, all these concepts we have studied. In this lecture, we are going to study how actual event handling is done, or what are the task of event handling and how it is performed. These points we are going to study in this lecture number 26, using the delegation event model. Now that we have learned the theory behind the delegation event model and have had an overview of its various components, it is time to see it in practice. Using the delegation event model is actually quite easy. Just we need to follow these two steps. First step, implement the appropriate interface. Which are the interfaces, listener interfaces we have studied, that we need to implement. That is the first step. Implement the appropriate interface in the listener so that it will receive the type of event desired. Second step, implement code to register and unregister if necessary, unregistration if necessary. Second point, implement code to register and unregister if unnecessary the listener as a recipient for the event notifications. Registration is important. Remember that a source may generate several types of events. Each event must be registered separately. Also, an object may register to receive several types of events, but it must implement all of the interfaces that are required to receive these events. How many types of events we want to handle, that much event listeners or interfaces we need to implement. To see how the delegation model works, we will look at examples that handle two commonly used event generators, the mouse and keyboard. To see how the delegation model works in practice, we will look at examples that handle two commonly used event generators, that is the mouse and the keyboard. Handling mouse events. To handle mouse events, we must implement the mouse listener and the mouse motion listener interface. To handle the mouse related events, we must implement the mouse listener and the mouse motion listener interface. We may also want to implement mouse wheel listener, but we won't be doing so here. Archapel. The following applet demonstrates the process. It displays the current coordinates of mouse in the applet status window. Each time a button is pressed, the word down is displayed at the location of the mouse pointer. Each time the button is released, the word up is shown. If a button is clicked, the message mouse clicked is displayed in the upper left corner of the applet display area. As the mouse enters or exits the applet window, a message is displayed in the upper left corner of the applet display area. When dragging the mouse, a star symbol is shown which tracks with the mouse pointer as it is dragged. Notice that two variables, mouse x and mouse y, store the location of the mouse when a mouse pressed, released, or dragged event occurs. These coordinates are then used by paint method to display output at the point of these occurrences. This is the example, how example is implemented. What are the tasks we have performed in this example by using mouse listener and mouse motion listener. Here the output window is shown here. Mouse pointer, when we are clicking the mouse, it shows the down message. When we are releasing that, it shows the up message. When mouse is moved, mouse is dragged, okay, at that time moving mouse at coordinates points are displayed. Like this output is there. Okay, see the example. Here it is the demonstration of the mouse event handler. First thing, we need to import java.awt.star package. Second, import java.awt.event.star package to handle the events. Third, import java.applet.star to take the support of the applets. Here start multi-line comment, applet code, applet tag equal applet tag, applet code equal to class name mouse events, width 300, height 100. Then close this tag, close the applet tag, close multi-line comment. Start the class, public class mouse events, extends applet, implements mouse listener, comma mouse motion listener. Here two listeners we have implemented. Public class mouse events, extends applet, implements mouse listener, mouse motion listener. Open curly bracket, initialize one variable string msg equal to double quotation semicolon, null initialization variable. Next integer variables, integer mouse x equal to 0, mouse y equal to 0, coordinates of mouse. Then next start the public void init method, public void init open curly bracket, then add mouse listener into bracket this, add mouse motion listener into bracket this. This is known as the registration of the mouse listener and mouse motion listener. Close the init method. To handle mouse clicked events, we need to write the mouse clicked method, public void mouse clicked into bracket mouse event me, open curly bracket, save these coordinates, mouse x equal to 0, mouse y equal to 0, msg equal to message equal to mouse clicked semicolon, repaint method, close this method, mouse clicked method. Second, to handle the mouse entered method, public void mouse entered into bracket mouse event me, open curly bracket, save these also coordinates, mouse x equal to 0, mouse y equal to 0, 10, message equal to mouse entered semicolon. Next, repaint method, close this method, close this mouse entered method. Next, to handle the mouse exited method, public void mouse exited into bracket mouse event me, open curly bracket, open this method mouse exited, Also save these coordinates: mouse x equal to 0, mouse y equal to 10, message equal to mouse exited semicolon repent method semicolon, close this mouse exited method curly bracket. Next, handle button pressed, mouse button pressed, public wide mouse pressed into bracket mouse event me open curly bracket. Also save its coordinates: mouse x equal to here me dot getx method, mouse y equal to me dot getY method, where we are pressing that points we need to pick. For that getx and getY methods are used, and message here we are pressing, then message is down repent, close the curly bracket. Next, to handle mouse released method, public wide mouse released mouse event me open curly bracket, save coordinates: mouse x equal to me dot getx, mouse y equal to me dot getY. Here we are releasing where that message equal to up repent, close this mouse released method curly bracket. Next, to handle the mouse dragged event, public wide mouse dragged method into bracket mouse event me open curly bracket, save its coordinates: mouse x equal to me dot getx, mouse y equal to me dot getY semicolon. Next, message equal to here dragging we are showing displaying the star, so star is given semicolon. Show status into bracket double quotation dragging mouse at double quotation complete plus mouse x plus double quotation comma double quotation complete plus mouse y semicolon repent, dragging is complete. Now to handle mouse moved, public wide mouse moved mouse event me open curly bracket open this method mouse moved. Next, show status moving mouse at plus me dot getx method plus double quotation comma double quotation plus me dot getY method show status method close semicolon, then close the curly bracket of mouse moved method. Okay, now display message in applet window at current xy location, public wide paint method into bracket graphics g open this method curly bracket g dot draw string into bracket msg comma mouse x comma mouse y circular bracket complete semicolon, close the curly bracket of init method, close the curly bracket of class. Like this program we need to write here. Now see the output of this program. Open first of all command prompt, d drive d colon, then next cd video lecture ajp folder. In this we have stored mouse events java file. Okay, then compile this java c space mouse events dot java. Here compilation is okay. Now execute this. We need to write applet viewer space mouse events dot java. Okay, this is our output. Here first of all I will maximize this window. Here when our mouse is on this applet, over the applet, here on top mouse entered message is displayed, and when this mouse cursor leaves the applet, then mouse exited message will be displayed. Mouse entered, mouse exited, like this. These are the two events. Mouse when enters into the applet, it shows message mouse entered. When mouse leaves this applet, then it shows mouse exited. Okay, and next is the here at show status on status, mouse moving moving mouse at location. Here location pointers are shown at the status bar. Mouse is moving. Okay, next is the when I am clicking the mouse button, pressing the mouse button, then it shows the on this arrow down message. Okay, when we are leaving, then it shows the up message. Okay, that event is quickly happens here. And when we are dragging, okay, dragging, then star will be displayed. This is star. Okay, now up is there. Okay, up event, mouse released, mouse pressed, mouse moved, mouse clicked, mouse entered, mouse exited. Like this 7 methods are implemented in this program. Okay guys, are you got this? Here mouse entered, exited, mouse down, mouse dragged, star will be displayed, dragging mouse message is displayed, or simply we are up message will be displayed. And when we are moving this mouse simply, then moving mouse message will be displayed. Like this output is displayed on the screen. All the output will be implemented. Thank you guys watching the lecture or prepare for this lecture. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe and share. Thank you.